Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search keyboard from here. Click on keyboard. Search keyboard. For example, this is keyboard. Click on keyboard and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache keyboard. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.